Picked up your brand new $499 PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X yet? Looking for that perfect 4K television to play it on? Why not buy this bad boy? If you've got the funds, that is. We'd like to introduce you to the Titan Zeus. Let us assure you, it deserves its name. This TV is bigger than an elephant and holds the title of most expensive television in the entire world at an astonishing $1.6 million. Suddenly, that $499 video game console doesn't seem so bad, huh? Today, we look at the specs and features of the Titan Zeus, so you can decide if it's worth that $1.6 million. TVs can cost you quite a pretty penny. The Sony 85-inch Class X800H Series LED 4K UHD Smart Android TV, ooh, what a mouthful, will cost you $1,799.99. The Sunbright TV Signature 2 Series 65-inch LED HDR 4K Outdoor TV with soundbar may have a smaller screen, but it's quite a bit more advanced, and it runs at $8,174. Brand new. Want a bigger picture? Well, projectors like the Panasonic 50000LM with native 4K resolution, 3DLP laser projector, and it's without the lens. Costs a whopping $258,098.26. You need a lens? Be ready to pay for it. The Panasonic 2.0 zoom lens is $22,393.56. Hey, no one said these things were gonna be cheap. But these prices seem like steals when compared to the most expensive TV on the planet, which also happens to be the subject of today's video. This is the Titan Zeus, and it's true to its name. It's a colossus in both size and price. A brand new model carries a price tag of $1.6 million. Just how in the heck can a TV cost that much? The Titan Zeus is the brainchild of London-based manufacturer Titan, who were first inspired to make high-end televisions in 2013 when Microsoft first introduced their Xbox One, a $499 purchase at the time. The video game developers were very vocal about how powerful their console would be, and were quoted as saying they wanted the most beautiful gaming screen ever for their brand new machine. Titan apparently heard the call and commenced work on their magnum opus, the Titan Zeus. The screen is a massive 370 inches, has 4K resolution, and has a 4:3 aspect ratio. To put all this in perspective, Titan Zeus's screen is just about double the size of an elephant. Yeah, this thing is huge. This mega movie machine also features 65 billion colors, weighs nearly a ton, and took the engineering team 6 months to build. Apparently, these designers were inspired to make the Titan Zeus after their previous TV was a massive success, and they went big to outdo themselves. After all, to really be able to take in what you're watching on this bad boy, you have to be just about 50 feet away from the screen. Looks like you're gonna need a mansion with a pretty gosh darn big living room to house the Titan Zeus. Luckily, Titan's masterpiece comes completely customizable. To quote the team behind the screen, some of the amenities that you can add on include a waterproof Titan screen emerging from a swimming pool, curved screens for a super yacht sun deck, and a model custom designed for roof terraces. They also have some more, shall we say, conservative models of this television, in the form of a 173-inch, 196-inch, or a 251-inch display. Hey, having options ain't a bad thing. Now, you may be wondering who in the heck is gonna buy this thing. I mean, it's a TV the size of 2 elephants, costs $1.6 million, can only be viewed properly from 50 feet away. Has anyone actually picked one of these monster TVs up? Oh, you bet your bottom dollar someone has. But get this, when we say someone, we literally mean one person. That's right, since its inception, only one person has ever bought this astonishing television. We'd love to give you their full review of this voracious view screen, but according to Titan, the buyer wished to remain anonymous, and to this day, no one knows who they are. Other uses for the Titan Zeus include being the main view screen at this Xbox gathering, as well as a rooftop view screen at the 2014 Cannes Film Festival. Curb Media decided this would be the perfect screen to display the World Cup. And who can blame them? This sporting event brought in $4.6 billion in revenue in 2018. So they placed one on top of the Le Grand Hotel for all to see and enjoy. Hey, we've got one more fact for you about expensive TVs. There's actually one TV out there that goes for more than the Titan Zeus. What makes this TV so expensive isn't the television itself, but rather the 28 kilograms of 18-karat rose gold, precious gems like sunstone and amethyst, and get this, alligator skin that adorn the outside of the television. All of these valuables surround a 55-inch television by Stuart Hughes, a rather modest TV without all the bells and whistles of some of its competitors. But its asking price is $2.26 million. We'll see you next time, right here on The Richest.